In this video, I will show you how to make a prebiotic turmeric golden milk. This is a great natural way to add prebiotics, antioxidants, and vitamins to your daily diet. Pour 1 cup of milk into pot. Add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let it boil. Add 1 tablespoon of hashab prebiotic to an empty teacup. This has at least 85% soluble fibers, of which most are prebiotic, polysaccharides, and oligosaccharides. Pour prepared tea to teacup. Mix it well. Enjoy your prebiotic golden milk.